Welcome to another video by Team MatChem. In this particular video, we will be discussing a question from the chapter Laws of Motion. A crate of mass M 100 kg is pushed at a constant speed up a frictionless ramp 30 degree, theta equal to 30 degree by a horizontal force F. That means how can we draw it? For example, we are having a mass that is making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. That means the mass 100 kilogram of mass. This is square like on the ramp. There is on the ramp. That particular ramp is making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. Ramp is making an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. So here we are applying a force. That force is applied in the horizontal direction. So we are applying a force in the horizontal direction. A force is applied in the horizontal direction. Here we can understand that since that particular object is having a mass of m, due to acceleration due to gravity, a force will be acting downwards, a force that will be acting vertically downwards, that will be equal to mg. That will be equal to mg. Fine. Since this particular angle equal to theta, this particular angle theta equal to 30 degree. So if you try to make the perpendicular to the ramp, so if you make a perpendicular to the ramp, so this particular angle will also become equal to 30 degree. This particular angle will also become equal to 30 degree. So if this is 30 degree, if this is 30 degree, we can resolve mg into this is equal to mg cos theta, mg cos theta, and the vertical component as mg sin theta, mg sin theta. Here we are having a horizontal force. That horizontal force, it will be making an angle. So what would be this angle? This angle will be equal to, this angle will also be equal to 30 degree. If this angle equal to 30 degree, this angle equal to 30 degree, this component will become equal to f cos 30, cos theta, f cos theta, and this component will become equal to f sin theta. How do we resolve it? I will draw over here. Here we are having a force that is F, that is making an angle theta. So if this is theta, mean this will become horizontal component equal to F cos theta, and vertical component will be equal to F sin theta, equal to F sin theta. So when you are seeing, you can very clearly understand that mg sin theta and F cos theta are acting opposite to each other. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate the magnitude of F. So we can equate mg sin theta, mg sin theta is equal to F cos theta. What is the value of m? M is equal to 100 kilogram. Theta is equal to 30 degree. So if you substitute here, you will get 100 into 10 into sin 30, equal to F into cos 30, F into cos 30. So 100 into 10 is equal to 1000 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. That is F into cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. So you can cancel 2 and 2. Therefore, F is equal to 1000 divided by root 3. So what is the value of the force? The magnitude of the force will be equal to 1000 divided by root 3 Newton. Now we need to calculate what is the force on the crate from the ramp. So what is the force on the crate from the ramp? Here you can see that this is the crate. So what is the force that acting on the crate from the ramp? So it has two components. There can be force because of the weight of the object, as well as because of the force that is applying in the horizontal direction. So we can calculate the force on the crate. Force on the crate will be equal to mg cos theta plus f sin theta. Mg cos theta plus f sin theta. See, because we have a like what I can say, crate is here. Crate is lying on the ramp. As a result, there will be a force will be acting on the crate from the ramp, as well as there will be a force on the ramp. There will be a force on the ramp by the crate. So what will you get? So that is equal to mg cos theta. That is m is equal to 100 into 10 into cos 30 plus what is the value of force? Force is equal to 1000 divided by root 3 into sin 30 sine 30. So what will you get? That is equal to 1000 into cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 plus 100, sorry, 1000 divided by root 3. Oh, this is root 1000 divided by root 3 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 and 1000 will cancel, you will get 100 here. So this 2 and 1000 will get we will get 500 here. So what will be the answer? That is 500 root 3 plus 500 by root 3. You can simplify and find out the value of force on the crate from the ramp. Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.